Hi everyone, it's Megkline with Wishes Family Travel. I am checking into a 1-bedroom villa at Disney's Riviera Resort. It is room 8547. When you walk in, you have your entryway here. Beautiful details. And then you walk right in and you have the kitchen area. Full kitchen, microwave, stove, dishwasher, coffee maker, fridge and freezer over here, and then you have all the supplies to cook. So it's a great way to get groceries delivered, and you are able to make yourself at home on this beautiful table over here. And then there's a sitting room over here, and then this actually pulls down into a bed right here. So you just pull these down into a bed. I love, 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 love. Look at that. Cinderella's carriage. The Beauty and the Beast. Everything is just so beautiful at this hotel. This is a standard view room, so you can see the front parking lot area. And then we actually have an awesome view of Spaceship Earth. You can see back there. Zoom in for you. So that is Epcot, which you know you can hop on the Skyliner and head right to Epcot. And then we have our TV area over here, and this also pulls down into a Murphy bed. So you can see I pulled that down fairly easy. I love the little light there so you can do some reading. And then here is the main bedroom. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything is just gorgeous here. Hidden Mickey right there. And look at that. I love Marie. And then you walk in. Now here is the bathroom area. The tub is over here, and then these doors slide by the bedroom, but you actually can walk right through. It connects to the shower area and the toilet area, and then sink over here. So I like that feature, how it connects through. Over here you have your washer and dryer, so you can do laundry. And then over here you have a closet, put your suitcase, luggage is in there. All right, Megkline at wishesfamilytravel.com to plan your dream vacation today.